Hey there, here's how to connect your PlayStation 5 to your LG Smart TV. First off, we start with the HDMI cable. We'll connect one end to the PlayStation and the other to the TV. On the PlayStation 5, it's labeled HDMI. Connect the other end of the HDMI to the back of your TV. Any of the HDMI slots is fine. Now take the power cable and place this end into the PlayStation. Then the plug. The final cable is a USB-C cable. You plug this into the front of the PlayStation 5, the other end into the controller, and it gets its charge. To power on your PlayStation, just press the power button at the front here, or press the PS button on your controller. To display the PlayStation 5 on your LG Smart TV, press the Home Hub button. Then select PS5 Game HDMI.